One of the most important aspects of the application is to add the birds tracked by it. Let us open the bird list using the birds link of the main menu. Here is the bird list, empty for now, ready to welcome your first records. From the bird list, the new button opens a bird card showing all the important fields related to a bird. The bird card opens with every important field grouped by section. The first thing to set is the sex of the bird. For this example, we pick female. The sex is now set to female. Type the species you want in the species field. When no record matches what you typed, a Create Record option is proposed to register a new species on the fly. Clearing the field and reopening it brings up the list of suggested records you have already registered. Nothing matches my test species, so the app offers to create a brand new species record on the fly. We just keep this example in mind and do not click it for now. When the field is empty, tapping it shows a list of suggested species you have already registered. The selected record is now associated to the bird. Any change on its display label will automatically be reflected on every bird linked to it. You can define the standardized identifier, which usually relates to the leg band number. Its layout is configurable from the configuration page, or you can untick it and set a custom identifier like My Test Bird. Unticking the standardized identifier reveals a free-form custom identifier field. Type any name or code that helps you recognize the bird. Here, My Test Bird. By default, the band number stays in sync with the identifier. Untick the synchronization to set the band number independently, for example, ABC20DF001. The band number is now decoupled from the identifier. It can be edited independently. Type the band number exactly as printed on the leg ring, for example, ABC20DEF001. You can define the date of hatch of the bird or an approximate date when unknown. The origin lets you record whether the bird was bred at home, bought, imported, and so on. Here we pick Other Breeding. The origin is set to Other Breeding. Extra fields appear to record where and from whom the bird was acquired. Type the name of the previous owner, John Smith, in the Purchased From field. No matching contact exists yet, so we use the Create Record shortcut, validate the contact card, and come back. The contact card opens with the typed name already pre-filled. The contact is saved and automatically linked to the bird as the previous owner. Open the Genealogy tab and set the father using the bird selector. We type Father Test 1. That bird does not exist yet, so we use the Create Record shortcut and validate the new father record. The Genealogy tab is where ancestors, descendants, and siblings of the bird are managed. Same shortcut as for the contact. The bird selector opens a fresh bird card so you can register the father on the fly. The father is saved and the bird now has a parent on file. Back on the Overview tab, define a cage for the bird and add a tag. Tags work as filters across every list of the app. Back on the Overview tab, this is where the day-to-day information about the bird lives. The bird is now associated to one of your cages. The label panel is now open. You can pick an existing tag or create a new one. The first pre-entered tag is now attached to the bird. Mutations describe the genetic mutations of a bird that potentially alter its visual and its offspring visuals. They are also reused by the genetic calculator. Right under the Tags section on the Overview tab, we type purple, validate it as a new mutation, and mark it as visual. The Mutations panel sits right under the tags. Tapping Add a Mutation unlocks the selector for input. Type the base name of the mutation